Hello and welcome everyone to another video here on this channel. Congratulations if you followed my trades in the last videos, and again I will give you in these videos all my price targets and expectations for the Bitcoin, Ethereum and Quant price. And the special altcoin for today is again ADA Cardano. We will take a look at that, so stay tuned and have fun with this video. And we are starting here straight into the Ethereum 4-hour time frame. And as I'm telling you here since more than half a year on my German channel, this was in my opinion a first impulsive move towards the upside here, a 5-wave structure from the 880 to the 2000 US dollars, which I'm considering as a wave 1 towards the upside. So when we were at 2000 US dollars, I gave you this price target here, this yellow purple target area. And I told you we should come down there in a 3-wave or in a corrective move structure. And from there, reverse towards the upside. My price target or my minimum expectation is the 3000 US dollars. And we did it, yeah. We came down here corrective. We reversed from here towards the upside. So now we are in our next move towards the upside. And this should be a 5-wave structure to the 3000 US dollars or above. Yeah. And in my opinion, this is the first move here of this 5-wave move towards the 3000 US dollars. And this first wave move should be a 5-wave move itself. So we're gonna take a look at that. I'm telling you here, all the time on my channel, or since this English channel is existing even, that this in my opinion was already a 1-2 setup. This was a wave 3. When we were up there, I told you for 3 weeks straight that we should come down here in a wave 4 target area before we are reversing here towards the upside and getting this last pump here approximately to the 2000 US dollar level. And this is exactly what happened. I was able to scale up my short positions, double down on them, and 17 US dollars. So we were short here, long here, short here, long here, short here. And actually my deepest long buy order triggered at 1464. Of course, I shared that in real time with my Telegram members. So soon I'm gonna also start an English Telegram channel. So don't worry about that. Just give me some time. And also this last move here, this wave 5 should be a 5-wave move, as you can see. And in my opinion, we are currently in this wave 1. So, or maybe it's already finished. Maybe just finished the wave 1. Now there should be a wave 2 retracement, which brings us down in the region between 1540 and 1570. We should come down there in a 3-wave corrective fashion. As you can see in my trade, which I'm showing you here, I'm right now, I saved 50,000 US dollars in a profit, and I saved it with a hedge short when we completed our first 5-wave move, somewhere here. I opened my hedge short slightly below the 1,600 US dollars, which means, in this wave, which means in this phase of the pump, I made profits. From there, I just secured it, I just said, okay, now I want to step to the sidelines and look what is going to happen. We could have already, come down earlier. So, but since we got this nice pump, it's a very, 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 very good indication that first of all, the low is in. Second of all, we are going to get only a wave 2 retracement area. So this will be the point where I close again my hedge short positions. At this point, they will be in profits. And I scale even up my long position. So right now I'm approximately 750,000 US dollars in a long position. It's like 500 Ethereum, but I also want to scale that higher here in that region. I want to scale it up to approximately 1 million US dollar long position, approximately 650 Ethereum. And I want to trade them up here in this 3rd wave, because in my opinion, if we take the trend-based tip extensions here of this 1-2 setup, you can see that the 3rd wave extension, the 1.618 extension level, brings us all the way up to 1970 US dollars. I think this is my next price target after we completed here this wave 2 retracement. So I'm only waiting for this, close my hedge shorts there, scale up my long positions, and just waiting for the ride here in the 3rd wave of this 5-wave movement. And there, slightly below the 1950 US dollar level, I want to take profits, or I want to cash out some good parts of this trade. Because as you can see, I'm already like 50,000 US dollars up since this short ride here. Since I saved it all with my hedge shorts. When we come down there, my shorts will be in slight profits. My longs also will be in profits. So the $50,000 profits is not changing. It doesn't matter what the price is doing right now. In the optimum case, we are retracing down from now. So there I can, as fast as possible, close my head shorts, scale up my longs, and take here this right towards the upside. So let's now have a look at the Bitcoin chart. And there you can see a similar scenario, but the Bitcoin did show so much strength, but that this can technically for Bitcoin also have been the last wave, but I don't see it yet. Yeah. So Bitcoin, same scenario. I think a significant low has been made at 15,500 US dollars. From there, I'm expecting a 5-wave move towards the upside. In my opinion, this has to a very high percentage of likelihood being a wave 1, a wave 2, and a wave 3. We perfectly hit all our price targets. I told you every day on this channel. We should come down now once more in a wave 4 to this retracement area. We hit everything perfect. Wave 2 retracement, wave 3 extension, wave 4 retracement. So now there should only be one last wave 5 towards the upside. And technically, this could actually be it already, but I don't see that. I don't think it. It showed so much strength, and also the Ethereum isn't done yet. The Ethereum didn't do a higher high at that point. So also for Bitcoin, I'm expecting here a wave 2 in this retracement area between the 22,600 and the 23,000, because this extended more than expected. But from there, this will be the very, very, very good entry position for the wave 3, which is the wave we actually want to trade here to the upside, to the 28,500 US dollars. From there, the wave 4 should start. And as you can see, I measured it everything already for you. It has very good confluence, because the wave 4 then should bring us to the 38.2, which is at 26,340. And then the wave 5, and this is the magic on this. If we measure the wave 1 and bring it to the bottom of the wave 4, actually the wave 5 should bring us exactly to the 30,000 US dollar level for Bitcoin. And that is here overall my next price target. From there, a stronger retracement should be, is needed, practically to, again, load up the energy here to, be ready here for the next spike towards the upside, to practically fill up our tanks once more with energy. But I don't think that move towards the upside is finished yet. So there is still quite a lot of space. So if I would be on the sidelines right now, I would, same as for Ethereum, wait for this wave 2 retracement, open up a long position there. If you want to trade longs, you can use my link down below the video to the Exchange BITGET. You get an 8,000 US dollar subscription bonus, which you can use for trading, and 100% of the profits are yours, of course. So take that advantage, of course. Use the link down below the video and join the Dynalix Analytics community. And let's now have a look at the QNT chart. As you can see, my expectations didn't change since my first analysis. In my opinion, this has been a wave 1 towards the upside with a significant low in place at 40 US dollars. We saw a 5-wave move. From there, we should come down correctively in this overall target area, in this big target area. We came down here, but it was not corrective in my opinion. It was impulsive. So that's why I have currently I'm observing many opportunities here to get one last low, and from there we can see our bigger reversal towards the upside, because this has been too impulsive and this has been too less impulsive, in my opinion, for a bottom to be in place. So we can rather count this as a 1, 2, now there is a 3, 4, 5 of the wave C. We can also make one more high, which would be the high of the wave Z, and then come down in a wave C, here 5-wave move. There are several opportunities left. I would not take a QNT trade yet. I'm completely on the sidelines for QNT. I'm not trading that coin until we get a nice trading setup, and that would be the case if we come down here. If we're not coming down here, I will search for further opportunities in another scenario, but this is not the case yet. In my opinion, this is no nice trading setup. From here, we can go in both directions. We have no good risk-reward ratio, so that's why I would personally miss out on that trade, preferably before I involve myself into risk which is too high for me, which I don't want to take. So if we are going to come down right here, I will open huge long positions and trade that move towards the upside. If we are seeing another high, I will also wait for another low. If we are seeing a 5-wave move to impulse towards the upside, I'm waiting for wave 2 retracement. So that is my plan right now. In my opinion, no good entry position, but there are many other coins which I can trade as well. So let's now have a look at the 88 chart. And before we start straight into the charts, I want to announce the current giveaway from $1,000, which is made by BITGET. And with the link down below in the video description, you can take part. The winners will be selected by the highest trading volume and also by the highest P&L. With the links here down below in the video description, you can not only sign up with BITGET and get your normal $8,000 bonus. No, actually right now they give you $2,000 on top of that, which you can take as well for your trading bonus. And of course, you can take your trading bonus and compete with that in the trading competition. So I wish you all the best, and we start straight into the charts. And as you can see also there, my view is still unchanged. And actually what you can see is that we got that overshooting wave B, which I warned you that this overshooting B can happen, but I'm still expecting here this wave C towards the downside, to be honest. So during Bitcoin and Ethereum are only doing a corrective wave 2 here and then reverse to the upside, I expect 88 to make an impulsive 5-wave move here towards the downside and then recover. So for ADA, I count this actually as a 5-wave move, which is completed. So this should actually be a wave A of 2, a B up now and a C down. The B, to be honest, we can count it as a 5-wave move if we count this as a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But we can also count it as a 3-wave move. It's both possible. Right now I'm sticking to the overshooting B opportunity. I told you already before that this can happen easily. So this is nothing unexpected. This is nothing which we didn't go through on this channel. And if we look at the indicators, for example, you can see the bearish divergence from here until here even. So it shows that even this high was stronger than this high which we created up here. So to be more reliable here for the indicators and the wave count and everything, we should really hit this support area right now in the next few days, or in the next 1 to 3 weeks, before we can get our reversal towards the upside. If we are reversing straight from here, it would be, in my opinion, a little bit unreliable because this was a clear 5-wave move towards the downside. So yeah, it would practically mean that we finished a possible wave 4 with an impulse, which I don't see, which I don't think so. And I think we are coming down from now in wave C, while Bitcoin and Ethereum are only coming down correctively. But we will see. If ADA is now only making a correction down, maybe I will change my scenario. I will keep you updated here. Right now, there is no reason to change the scenario, no reason to panic yet. Still the same expectations. And if this information was useful for you, if you like this video, if you like this content, then subscribe on this channel, activate the small little bell so you will always get notified when I upload a new video here for you. And thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for sticking here with me until the very end. And I hope we will see each other in the next video here on this channel. Ciao, ciao.